learn the use of have in sentences. I have nice shoes. We have three gifts. We have two dogs. They all have bicycles. They have a lot of money. I have a nice room. They have a grocery store. We have vegetables in the garden. They have two holidays. We have good friends. I have a cup of coffee. I have three family members. You have brown hair. I have a small bag. We have two children. I have a wooden table. They have a small van. We have three musical instruments. Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something from this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.